Welcome to a new video. This is Nishma from the Millennial Lifestyle Fix. If you're seeing my face for the first time, take a minute to subscribe to the channel. I create travel and productive lifestyle content here on YouTube. I'm currently in Paradise Lagoon Resort in Udupi, actually Kodi Bengere Beach to be specific. It's a backwater facing property and I'm spending some time here taking you guys around. But this is not all. I'm also going to go to Malpe Beach and explore another property there, which is right across Malpe Beach, like sea facing property. So that is the plan for today. I'm going to be exploring these places and showing you how gorgeous they are. And actually this place is very close to my heart because I've spent 6 years in Manipal, very close to Udupi. And yeah, I'm coming here for a short trip. So I thought let me take you guys around and show you what Udupi has to offer. So let's go and start with the room tour and then show you around this beautiful property. As you saw, the room is really excellent. I have the best view over here with the backwater and pool facing view. And this video is in collaboration with Paradise Group. So thank you so much for inviting me here. They have 3 properties around this area. They have one in Kodi Bengere, which is this one. They have one in Malpe, which we will also cover. And they have one in Kodachadri Hills in case you are interested for a forest property stay. So yes, I'm covering this right now. I'm gonna have breakfast now. I've just called for it, and then I'll go down, explore and take you guys along. So stay tuned and let's have breakfast now. In case you don't know much about Udupi, I'm going to make a separate video where I'm going to cover what are all the places that you can actually visit and sightsee around Udupi. So I'm going to cover that after this and I'll link it above here so that you can actually explore. If you want to come to Udupi, it's close to Mangalore, like 1 hour. So Mangalore has an airport, or you can come by bus from Bangalore overnight. It's in coastal Karnataka and it's really amazing. Like, it has so much to offer and there's so many places around us. Like, you'll get best of everything. So completely recommend, of course. I could be biased, but once you see that video and see what all Udupi has to offer, I'm sure you'll want to visit here as well. I've come down from my room to look at the property and it's quite huge. You can see the pool that we had from top right behind me and the backwaters there. They also have a cruise boat like that you can take, and like just sort of like the houseboat that you have. They have that, but it's not currently working because there's red alert for monsoon in coastal Karnataka right now. So because of that, but yeah, let's go around the property and see what it has to offer. So this is actually the room that I was staying in, that's beach facing, and just look at how beautiful it is. They have all kayaks and stuff over there. I really like it. Has like this old charm to it. So let's go. I'm currently in the boat that they usually take for trips. It's not functioning, but they want to show it to me because of the like rains. They're not doing tours at the moment. So let me just show you how it looks inside the boat, and maybe if you're coming here you can take a boat for yourself and do a cruise trip. That will be an experience of its own. This is the resort. The boat is just parked over here, and this is the whole backwater area. Behind those trees is Udupi Beach. I've been there as well. So let's go and check out the rest of the boat. Let me tell you a little bit more about Paradise Lagoon Resort. It started 15 years ago, and this is in Kodi Bangere Beach. They have 23 rooms, standard, deluxe, premium and waterfront. So the one which I showed you was a waterfront room. The standard room starts from 5,000 and the prices will vary according to season. The peak season is during summertime as well as during December. And yeah, like I showed you, there are a lot of things you can do here. You can go for the houseboat ride, you can go for fishing, kayaking. They have all these activities outsourced, so you can pick what you want to do and spend your time here. It just started raining, but it's still so pretty and beautiful. I cannot get over this view. This mushroom pepper that I'm having is so fresh and really good and juicy. Of course, I'm a vegetarian, so I'm having all veg food. I'm sure the seafood over here and the non-veg would be good as well, but this is just really good. The second property is Paradise Lagoon Resort on Malpe Beach. The property is really beautiful. I've changed. I'm going to show you a room tour soon. But if you can hear some noise in the background, that's because we have Malpe Beach right there. So this is the sea-facing property, which is iconic to Malpe Beach. If you have ever come here, you would know what I'm talking about. So let me go ahead, show you the room tour and then cut back to this point where we'll be exploring the property further. I've reached the second property. It's currently 3 p.m. and can I just take a minute to say how excellent Paradise Lagoon Resort was, and now I am at Paradise Lagoon Resort, which is right opposite Malpe Beach. If you have ever come to Malpe Beach, you will be knowing this. And right now, the younger Nishma would be so proud because I've come to Malpe Beach so many times and never did I think I'll be reviewing this property. So it's just a moment, and this has been possible because of you guys and all the travel content that I've been creating and you have been loving and watching. So thank you so much. Now this property also looks amazing. I'm going to quickly give you a room tour as well as a tour of what view we have here, and then we're going to explore this property as well. Area over here in this property. It's really beautiful. I wish I could just go in and take a dip, but because it's monsoon, I'm going to stop myself. On that side you have the spa and massage area that I was talking about. So if you're interested in that, you could also indulge in that. And they have a lot of activities at Malpe Beach like parasailing, going to St. Mary's Island, and a lot more. So you can do that on the beach if you come to this property. And I think it's so close to the beach, we'll just walk across and you will have the Malpe Beach right in front of you. So I think that's excellent. Now let me go ahead and explore a little bit more. And yes, this is the pool area. In case if you're planning to visit here, you will definitely be able to enjoy this place. I've made it to the beach, but I cannot go in the water. You see those red flags? So there is a light net throughout the beach just because it's monsoon and red alert. So of course I'm going to respect that and not go into the water. But yes, I've made it to the sand part of the beach, and I have so many memories at Malpe Beach. Like I can't even begin to think of all the memories, like even St. Mary's Island. And you see the structure right there. That is where you get like the boats for all the activities, but it's closed for now, at least until the rainy season is gone, I think. But yeah, it makes me so happy to be here. Let me turn the camera around and show it to you guys. Okay, what do you want to tell our viewers? Oh guys, ये दीदी अच्छा है, दीदी हमारा सिस्टर है. Thank you. Bye. I'm just headed out for dinner. This is what I'm wearing, keeping it simple. This is an oversized Manipal hoodie that I got from the Manipal store, as well as some track pants. And I took a bath. It was really good. and now I'm going for dinner. So I'll show you guys what I order for dinner, and I'm going to check out early tomorrow at 9 a.m. going back to Bangalore by train from Mangalore, but that is going to be a different vlog itself. So I'm actually taking the Vista Dome, and I'll put a picture over here so you'll see what the Vista Dome looks like. If you're interested in that vlog and see how my journey goes, that will be a separate vlog. I'll link it after this vlog and in the description, so make sure to check it out. Now let's go for dinner. So I've just confirmed my cab for tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. I'm going from Malpe Beach to Mangalore Junction, and I have a train over there like I mentioned. So I'm getting a cab because the KSRTC bus that used to operate before has stopped since COVID, and there are other buses but they have a lot of stops on the way, so I don't want to risk that just in case. So I'm taking a cab. It's expensive, but I've just confirmed it, and now I'm gonna have dinner. So the restaurant is pretty nice actually. It's like the kind of restaurant I would like to come for, just like, you know, even if I'm not staying in the hotel. So I like the vibe of the restaurant. Let's see how the food is. Currently 8:55 a.m. in the morning, and I'm checking out because I have a train to catch. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had an amazing time at both the properties, Paradise Isle Beach Resort at Malpe Beach, as well as Paradise Lagoon Resort at Kodibengere for the backwaters view. If you're planning to come to Udupi, make sure to check out either of these properties or both of these properties like I did. Had an excellent time. Shout out to the staff. The hospitality was amazing. Of course, the view and location of both these resorts are amazing, and I just had a wonderful time overall. Had an amazing time. Thank you for inviting me. And now I'm saying goodbye to this video. I'm going to go back to Bangalore via the Vista Dome, and that video is going to be linked after this if you want to check that out. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and tell me which of these two properties did you like more, and if you were to come, which one would you choose and why. Okay, until next time, bye bye and take care.